He walked onto the porch and stole the baby stroller. The thief runs away from the yard after seeing the dog. Two thieves in tank tops broke into the house, stole everything valuable, stuffed it into bags, and then escaped by jumping off the balcony. A chubby man kept kicking my door, insisting that I open it, but I didn't. He stood at my door for a long time. If you see this man, be careful.
Stay the f away from the door!
In this incident in Texas, a strange man came to the front of the house and started making weird gestures toward the camera. Later, a shooting took place. This man is trying to open all the apartment doors. The men who began entering the house with heavy weapons are still being searched for by the police. The woman who stole the bag in front of the door realizes she's been noticed and starts saying nonsensical things.
Hey! Hi! Sorry, I wanted to give you a cube that was...
The man wearing a mask and holding a knife opened the door and entered the house. But whatever he saw inside made him run out immediately in fear. It's unclear what the woman's issues were, but she destroyed and ruined all my flower pots. Two thieves made a plan to break into the house. One of the thieves, trying to hide his face, knocked on the door, planning to pose as a mailman. But when they realized no one answered the door, the thieves understood that no one was home and broke the door down to get inside.
Oh, it's my red.
A strange man started hissing at the camera, and this disturbing image appeared. This man, holding a shovel and with his pants halfway down, came to the door and started saying something in the middle of the night.
Man. Try to pull it. Asking about 20. Oh, so
The man heard strange sounds in his garden, and when he looked outside, he couldn't believe his eyes. A deer and its fawns were being chased by a bear in his garden. It's unclear what the woman's problem was or what she was angry about, but she must have been really upset because she started hitting the camera with a stick. When she saw that there were no scratches on the camera, the man knocked on the door, and the name I gave him to open it was fake.
Yo! Yeah! Yo! Yo! I'm telling you, just give me my phone. If you want...
He came to the door wearing a mask, showed the camera his weapon, and then left. The man was about to enter the garden to steal something, but what he didn't know was that the homeowner was watching him.
Hey, get out of there! Hey, nope, get out of there!
What was this man's problem, knocking on the door at 2:30 a.m. with a cigarette in his hand?
Hello? You're at the wrong house. You need to go. Or I'm calling the police. I'm calling.
This man who looked dangerous came to the house and knocked on the door.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hi. Hello? Good night. Can I have some water, please? What? Some water. Can you give me some water? Some water. Can you give me some water or no? Huh? You're who? Pani. Can you give me some pani or no? Can you give me some pani or no?
I don't know you.
You don't know English?
I don't know.
He claimed to be working at Amazon and delivering packages, but he was wearing a mask and recording the surroundings.
Yeah, hi, this is Amazon again. Looks like you got a few more packages addressed to your neighbor. Just curious if you're going to claim that they belong to your backyard. So we'll follow up on that in the police report. And you have the balls to open the door. Settle in person.
We couldn't understand what these people were after, but they were demanding food that had never been left behind. Be very cautious with these two.
We'll be right there.
How you doing? My food was dropped off here, and it's not here no more. Huh? No, they just can hear you. They can talk to us. And they're sitting right here. They know they ain't ordered no food. So how you doing? My food just came to this apartment and it's not here no more. My food just came here and it's not here no more.
I'm at 87, bro. It's 81.
No, this is 78, sir. Your address is 78. This is your doorbell. This is the same doorbell, bro. Your doorbell.
Man, I didn't get no food.
My food was here and it's not here no more.
I got no food, man.
LAPD, come out with your hands up, man.
It's a police raid. Although the officers told those inside that they needed to come out and surrender, the criminals inside aren't listening to them.
It's the Los Angeles Police Department. Anybody inside, come out, please.
So you got any issues? You hit on Simplex, tell Taylor to tell the guy to call the wife.
Hey Taylor, can you have the wife number?
I hear something.
It's the police department. Come out with your hands up. Hello, ma'am. Can you do us a favor and come out? We'll explain right now. Just do us a favor and come out, please. Is there anybody else inside?
Yo, Michael.
The man, wearing glasses and a hat, said the package at the door belonged to him and that it should be given to him, but the delivery person refused.
No, for them.
It's me.
Okay, well, sorry, but you can't show me ID. ID.
What ID? It's me?
No.
Oh.
him. No. Yes. Nope.
Hey there.
You got a good package for you?